What do you remember that dad can, and then your older brother can tell him? You saw something flying in the air. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
Sort of. What do you remember?
So, like a few years ago, our dad bought a drone.
Ah.
It was a small drone,
Lovely.
and we flew it outside
Uh-huh.
with a phone, and there was an app, and we controlled it on the app.
So it sort of did fly.
Yeah.
And how many times did you fly it?
Like a few times.
And then give up. Packed it. Where is it today? You haven't buried it at
No,
crematorium.
No, it's still with that. I mean, actually, because it was 5 years ago, so one of the issue with that, it doesn't last too much.
Right.
It's because with the issue with the batteries is like it says for about 11 or 12 minutes, but when you actually do it, it is lesser than.
Yeah. That's in ideal conditions.
Yeah. So basically,
okay.
And sometimes when you are trying it, just setting it up, so you hardly get very little amount of time, and then again you need to charge it. So it was just for the sake of experimentation and trying what can be done.
So we've just flown this one, and we can make some sort of a sound. So this is the baby drone, and then we've flown. Just show me. We'll just show them, and then we've flown the 3i.
This one.
This
one.
one.
You want to see it? This one.
So that is the slightly upmarket, and the one that I really love and use is called 2S. Anyway, so we went out and flew it across over there in the field.
Yeah.
So what did you learn today?
What
can't you do? What can you do?
First of all, it's really tricky to fly a drone.
It is tricky, yes. Just pressing a boom, it just runs away. It's like a sports car, isn't it?
Yeah.
You touch the accelerator, boom, it's somewhere else. And then you wake up, God, how I come here? Okay, so how far can you go up?
150.
120.
120.
Yeah.
Meters.
And do you have to be seeing it on the screen or with your own eyes?
With your own eyes.
Yes, you can wear glasses, but you can't use binoculars. That's the law of the land. Okay? And you can't fly into the clouds and say, oh, it's lovely there, because there might be an aeroplane. So that is the rule. So Dad is thinking of getting a drone, isn't he?
Yeah.
So this is the one that excites you first of all.
Yeah, because it can be done internally within home as well, because
yes,
because of the weather, and you need to go out and do it in that sense. So I think that will be more suitable for children, like they do it.
And I believe your children are very, very keen on YouTube channel. So can you show the camera what it is?
So what YouTube channel do we have?
So our YouTube channel's name is the Naveed Family.
And you can scan a code over there to join. Okay, I'll take a picture of that and add it over there. So good. I personally am absolutely delighted that a whole family has been now indoctrinated back into the drone. Because it's very easy to get a drone and there's no support. There's very few people who use it, and very few people who are prepared to say, I use it. But we live in a very beautiful part of the country, isn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, where we went, the river is there.
Yes.
You can see the drone with the light on. You can go across the river as long as you can see it. You can go towards the bridge up to a certain point. So I'm there to help you. I mean, anyway. So would it be good if you started a Facebook Live page yourself? Facebook page.
Yes.
Just for drones.
Yes, just for drones. I think you already mentioned you.
I have one, but
I mean, so that kind of page, yes, we can start with. And it's I mean, basically these drones are the modern day kite.
Yes.
So
I did that because that's how you fly kites.
Yeah.
It's interesting to say that, because yesterday when I was chatting with my biographer, as a kid we used to have kites, like when you're boy's age, and used to run out and catch it.
Yeah. So it's modern kind of, I would say kite, and it's fun basically. It's a lot of fun.
An excuse to go out as a family.
Yes, it is, and at the same time, you record your key moments. I mean, basically, it is you
record it for history.
Yeah, record it for your record and
the whole world sees it.
Yeah.
Your mummy, puppy, chachi, tao, his classmates.
Yeah.
So how did you and I meet? That's also an interesting story.
Actually, we met at Pakistan Cultural Society.
Right.
Yeah, but we knew I mean, because you are on Facebook, I'm also on Facebook, so and you are very popular, by the way. So I
I-
knew
I-
you by
And suddenly you
by
sent
social
me
media.
a personal message about drones. I said, wow, one person at least. I didn't know there was such a gang of people who love drones. So there you are. That's our first drone flight. And I'll give you a link when whatever we have done, I'll clean it up and put it together. So now there's a drone family started with the Naveen drone family, Naveed Anwar. And you teach disaster management, isn't it?
No, I'm in.
What's your field?
Yeah, I'm in the Department of Computer Information Sciences at Northumbria University.
And you were helping the disaster management, Meherban.
Yes, in terms of like when they need people and when they need something.
So you
doing.
support the idea?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay,
I mean,
okay.
because it's a good cause. So.
And your missus also teaches in Sunderland?
Yes, my wife, she worked for University of Sunderland.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's senior lecturer there in automotive engineering.
My God, how
Yeah.
very good.
Yeah.
So you could be seeing this on YouTube, which you will show. You could be seeing this on my channel, and now our two channels are connected.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
So there you are. That's my first drone victim.
Yeah.
Tahir Chaudhary bhai, salam.